products include geomembranes, geotextiles, geocells, geosynthetic clay liners, drainage boards, geogrids, etc., which are used across a variety of industries, include waste, water, aquaculture, mining, power plants, industrial and civil engineering, etc. We have been certificated by the ISO 9001, ISO 14001, OHSAS 18001, etc. In recent years, we have been keeping on investing in technological innovation, manufacturing facilities improvement, and turnkey engineering abilities. We had invested $10 million into our manufacturing factory with advanced production lines and optimized manufacturing process. BPM brand geomembranes and other geosynthetics products and solutions can meet your requirements by our solid technologies and professional staffs. BPM Geosynthetics has provided many types of effective and state-of-the-art geosynthetic products to over 36 countries. Our main customers are from Australia, France, Sweden, UK, Hong Kong, Hungary, New Zealand, Poland, Mexico, Ecuador, Brazil, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Thailand, Vietnam, Malaysia, Indonesia, Singapore, the Philippines, Sri Lanka, India, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Kenya, Ghana, Ethiopia, Somalia, Nigeria, South Africa, Switzerland, Mongolia, etc.